Let's say the most challenging time in life. What was it?
It depends on what age. I remember one challenging age of 14, one in 18, one in 23. Depends.
What would you say is the worst?
The 14-year-old.
Okay, what was it?
I came from a religious background. Not Haredish, but I knew what religion was. Around Bar Mitzvah, I started asking questions. I saw people around me having a good time. I had secular friends, no boundaries. They had girlfriends. They want to do anything they want to do, they could do.
Where did you live?
I lived in Chadera, in Eretz Yisrael.
So it's a mixed city. It's not
Yeah,
like
it's
a Haredish city.
No. But for me, all the idea of religion was it's a torture. It's stuck. Everything's like boundaried.
Rules.
You can't really enjoy life like a Laban the way you want. And as a kid, I didn't talk too much, but I was a person that has a mouth and has a brain. And I used to shoot from zero range. So there was a rabbi that was teaching me something after Bar Mitzvah, like, said to me, what do you feel about all this Bar Mitzvah? Said to him, pretty depressing.
Oh.
Said to me, what do you mean? I said, what's a Bar Mitzvah? Come on, I'm a teenager. I want to enjoy life. Religion is a boring thing.
Right.
Anything you do is don't do this way or that. You can't breathe.
Unfortunately, there's a lot of frima people that look from with this and they feel the same.
Yeah, sure. Look, if I felt this 40 years ago without being extra from just knowing about it, multiply by 1,000,000 40 years after,
Wow.
just 200 generations after, and people that grew in a closed society and were raised just with boundaries, without love inside, which is not the Jewish way, but this is what happens. And it's
The
a
gulas
painful
is
thing.
too long.
Yeah, too long and painful.
Yeah.
Definitely. So when I asked him this, he was like, said to him, what? I was very extreme. I said to him, why is Hashem preventing us to enjoy life?
So you asked the rabbi that was hired to help you with the reading of the Torah?
Yes.
For the bar mitzvah.
Yeah.
So even secular people, they hire someone for the bar mitzvah.
Yeah, they take somebody to do it. But I was like saying to him, I said to him, listen, God is preventing us from enjoying life. As it is. I mean,
and did he have an answer?
his answer was, guess what?
No way.
Lucky for him and for me, I backed off in the last second. I was black belt. Not then. I used to do martial arts from the age of 8.
Really?
Age of 18, yeah. And I was like, what is this? I said to him. He said to me, how can you talk that way? I said, listen. He asked a question, bear the answer.
That's how they used to answer.
Yeah.
Fetch.
No, if you ask a question, you have to bear the answer. You can't ask a question and not let me answer. If you wouldn't say anything, so be it. But if you ask me a question. So he said to me, not everything is not allowed. I said, not everything. What is fun is not allowed. The rest is fine.
Wow.